spot, just keep looking straight ahead. I'm gonna go around, help the other guys out. Hey, friendly. We got friendlies in here, but we got no movement up here. Nothing's going on, so. Yeah. We got nothing going on here.
They're all by the SUV.
All by the SUV? Alright, well, yeah, if we're able to flank around them, let's go this way.
We go this way. We get next door, we can fire across the road.
Alright, yeah, let's get over there. Let's take it.
I got my name on it, so I'm trying to run.
Alright. Our flag's on the left side, cover him. Hey guys, cover me, I'm gonna run left. Alright. Hey, Forrest.
That doesn't count, right?
What?
My barrel got it.
Yeah, gun.
Right.
Well, wait, taking fire. Get back. Taking fire, right side.
Nice, there's a lot of friendlies over there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but all the enemies are by the SUV. Aim for the SUV, guys. That's where most of them are at.
This is going after a lot.
Good freaking see.
Nice, I was looking over by the Logan!
Back behind our lines, rubber band, we're clear.
Look! I gotta start moving up there.
Yeah, you wanna move back though. Try to cross over to where the van is. Alright, yeah. I know in the center room we have some friendlies. No activity going on in the center room, but yeah, these guys are friendlies. Yeah, these guys are friendlies. Yeah, they're with us. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna cross over there. What do you got?
We're taking fire from the jail. Some of the parts of the jail.
Parts of the jail? Yeah. Alright,
I got this.
I'm gonna cross over. Look, going into the jail, cover me!
Go! I'm going on that.
Clear?
We're good.
Alright, move up!
Let's go, guys. Push up.
I need help in the jail! Move up! Got anybody there? Alright, I'm gonna try left here. Whoa! Hit! Nice shot! Dead man! Stop.
Keep an eye back there. They're gonna sneak through any minute.
Alright.
You gotta take
Hey! Dead man! What do you got?
Here's poking out.
Just poking out then?
Coming out.
Alright. If you guys want to keep suppressing fire, at the end of the aisle,
I can't do much suppressing.
you got an AEG? Yeah, alright, right now, lay suppress fire, I'm gonna go past you, go. Hey, dead man! Dead man walk. Alright. Yeah, not this room, but the next room over, guys. 2 rooms over in between the jail and this room right here. There's 2 guys stacked up on the corner, on the left corner by the doorway. 2 rooms over.
We all charging at once. I'll take some hits. You guys can take them out.
Yeah.
Go down that hallway.
Yeah, last time we went down that hallway, it didn't work, but just to get into this room. Alright, that works. Alright, I'm with you. Go. Whoops, sorry. Hey, dead man. Hold on, shield, wait.
Logan, hold up.
Hold up. Hold up. All right, guys. Once you go through here, if you go into the left, there's two guys in the second room over, far left corner. They keep picking us out as soon as we get in that doorway. We do a suppressive fire down the hallway. You enter the room. All right, go left. Watch. There are going to be enemies to the left. Watch in the doorway. Far room, Logan. Alright, keep the hallway. Do you see enemies in the next room in front of you, Logan?
Yeah, he's behind the blue crate.
Alright, I'm gonna pop in and shoot. Head! Okay, guys, they're in the jail behind the blue crate. We're gonna pop up a second.
Everyone's waiting for somebody to pop out. I think he's on him. And that part's still in there. Just stay there.
Alright, guys, I pushed him back into the jail. I'm gonna move him to the jail. Cover me, alright? Gonna sneak past you, Logan. Keep an eye over there. Do you see him? Hey guys, do you see him? Where is he at? Do you see him? Yeah, move up, move up. Do you see them? Alright, I'm gonna slide across. Hey, dead man! Alright, I'm coming up. Keep me covered. See anybody in the jail? Alright, there's a guy in the first cell on the right, so nobody charged him. He moved, he's not there anymore. Let me move up. First cell on your right, watch out. Where are they at? Do you see? Does anybody see where they are? Sorry, which jail cell?
First one.
First one, there's somebody in there. Is there anybody further back that can pick us off if we try taking them out?
I don't know.
We're shooting him, so. Alright,
What?
He's dead. You shot me. I was team. Yeah, no, I was team. That was me. The rest of them
alright, gotcha. Alright, how about me and you? I'll stay low, you stay high. We'll slowly peer around and see who we can pick up. Is that behind that?
Yeah.
That's good. Well. Yeah. Right now, can you keep an... Wait. Hold on. Alright, he's out. I'll keep an eye on that door. Or, I'm in a better position. Keep an eye on the door. I'll get around here. Ow! Headshot! Nice, man! Dead man! Can you see if there's a crack or anything on this camera?
I can't really
It's good? Okay, it's probably just the helmet. Got anybody in here? Oh, hey! Guys, wait! Guys, wait! Right in this room here, there's an enemy sitting right over there. You stay here. We'll move up. There's guys right in this room. Alright, dead man, we're not. Don't shoot dead man. Somebody. But yeah, right in this next room, there's a guy just sitting in the corner. He just got me.
Which one? This one or that one?
Opposite corner from here.
Okay.
Opposite corner, so pick what's there. Big movement. Did you get him? Good for it. Okay. Alright, I'm coming up. Right there at the door. Hey! Is there anybody still in there from
Jail cell.
jail cell? Alright, but nobody in these next 2 rooms?
Not that I know of. Might have moved up, but we'll see.
Alright, keep an eye on the doorway though as we move in. Doorway. Can't tell me. I'm moving in. Oh, dead man. Dead man! Excuse me. There's an enemy right in this room in the left corner now. Behind the barrier. To the right of the couch in there. Got him? Right. And cover the hallway on the dry fire. Thanks, man.
That's a flag carrier.
Oh, nice.
Always not clear. Always not clear. Always not clear.
Oh my God, fire. Damn. Well, I can't do anything. Game's about done.